Buyer home tours are sluggish this report, behind 2.3% from last year this time, yet new purchase contracts are ahead 6% year over year. It's Friday, June 13th, 2025. Happy, shiny, lucky Friday the 13th. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner, reporting from the Eastern Shore offices of Kinetic Realty. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore report. It's taking 2 days longer for a seller to obtain a contract for properties sold on the Eastern Shore, clocking in at 36 days this report. More new inventory hit the market, rising 16.5% over last year, with the median list price of $425,000, which is off 5.6% year over year. Homes for sale rose this report to 2,112 units, with another 162 due to the market soon. 183 homes went under contract, 30% more this report than last, and in 28 days, which is better this report than last. 132 homes settled at 97.2% list to sold ratio, with days before contract improving to 25 days. Homes for lease rose to 119 at a median $2,150 per month. Whether you're looking to buy or sell on the Maryland Eastern Shore, these numbers can help you make informed decisions. As always, feel free to reach out to me at Kinetic Realty for personalized advice and guidance. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report for June 13th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next week. Take care.